Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I wanted to share with you a video on making a Mardi Gras wreath. Where I come from, it's Mardi Gras season, so I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to make this. And I bought this sign at Walmart, and that one was $1.98. And the 3 ornaments I bought at Walmart were 98 cents. This mask I bought at Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need a square wire wreath form, and this was also from Dollar Tree. Now Dollar Tree had a few items that you could use to put on this wreath for Mardi Gras, but I decided to use those from Walmart instead. And you will need at least 4 of the feather boas, and they're about 48 inches long. And the one I really wanted was the purple with the gold or the yellow and the green feathers, but they only had one, so that's what I got, and just went ahead and got the green, and I believe it was 2 of the purple ones. And this garland I also bought from Dollar Tree is 9 feet long, and this has like the traditional Mardi Gras mask on it. And these are the items that you would need to make this wreath. You could also take the same idea and use this for other holidays, just changing the color and the type of items that you use to put on the wreath. Now take the metallic garland, and it's got wire in it, so all I did was just wire it to the wire base, and just make sure you put it on there tightly. That way it doesn't go anywhere. And then all I did was wrap it around the base, and you're going to continue to do that until you get to the end. Now I'm using a second garland that I had, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing I did for the first one, and I just want to cover up some more of that wire that's there, so just do the same thing and tie it to the base, and then just wrap it around again. Now in order to fill in that little spot there, I just pulled down some of the garland and just kind of moved it a little bit towards the bottom, and just to fill it in just a little bit more. Now take 2 of the feathered boas in different colors and just wire that together. And then all I did was twist the 2 boas together just to kind of have both colors in there. And this is purple, it's not blue, it's just showing up on camera as blue, but it's actually purple. Now take the wire at the end of the boa and you're going to twist it onto the back of the frame and onto the metal piece. And then you're going to do the same thing as you did with the garland and just twist it around until you don't have any more to go. And fluff it up a little bit as you go. I tried to keep the first garland, the metallic one, a little loose just so I can kind of manipulate it a little bit and pull it up to kind of have where it would show a little bit through the feathers. And then once you get to the end, put another piece of wire onto that, and then you're going to tie that to the back of the frame. Now take 2 more feathered boas in different colors and do the exact same thing you did in the last step. And you're going to continue to do that until it's completely full. Although Mardi Gras has been canceled because of COVID this year, people still are decorating for Mardi Gras. They're going to celebrate in their own way. And Mardi Gras it's still a fun, festive, and colorful day, as this wreath will show. It is very colorful. But it's the colors of Mardi Gras, which each color represents a different purpose. Now, purple is to signify justice, green is to represent faith, and gold is to symbolize power. So those are the 3 colors of Mardi Gras and what the meanings of them are. The feathers didn't go completely around, so I just pulled the sides down a little bit just to try to bring a little bit of the feathers towards the bottom, just to try to fill that spot in. Now, to adhere the ornaments onto the wreath, all I did was put some hot glue onto the back of each of them and then just position them in the places that I wanted them to be. Now, to adhere the mask to the frame, all I did was tie it with the ties that are already on the mask, and just tied it in that corner of it, and it seemed to hold, and I didn't have to glue it down, but you can definitely glue it if you need to do that. It's easy to attach the sign to this wreath. All I did was put a piece of wire through the hole that the sign already has and twist it onto it, and then I turned the sign upside down and also the wreath upside down, or I should say the right side that you're going to see. You want that facing the sign. And then all you're going to do is take that little piece of wire and attach it to the wire that's on the frame. Now take a piece of wire and attach it to the back of the frame, and you're just going to make a small circle with it, and it's just to have a little hanger so that way you can hang it onto a nail. And this is what the wreath looks like when it's done. It's colorful, it's fun, and that's Mardi Gras. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and that notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day, and happy Mardi Gras, y'all.